In this short video, I'll show you how to convert a snake case to camel case. So essentially, we're converting lorem ipsum dollar with underscores in between the letters, and we're converting it to camel case, which is lorem ipsum dollar without spaces and with words, each word having a capital letter except the first one. So that's our goal. And to do that, we're going to use the following regular expression. So underscore dot as a global regex. And we're replacing with the uppercase second character using an arrow function. Basically, match takes a match argument and finds match of 1 and converts it to uppercase. If this looks confusing, you should check out the previous two videos where I'm going in depth on each of these concepts. But here, there's no need for it because we know all the ingredients, so to say. And finally, we're still following the formula, which goes something like this. Const replaced string is equal to string dot replace of matching substring and replacement substring. This gives us all the ingredients that we need to come up with a solution. Const snake to camel equals takes a string and returns the result of string dot replace of underscore dot global and match as a parameter of the arrow function, which finds match of 1 or match at index 1 to uppercase. That's it. Now we can test our solution. So let's run console.log on the invocation of snake to camel. We're passing the string of 1 underscore 2 underscore 3. And as you can see, it works. Of course, it can be anything else. For example, what underscore ever. And that's our implementation.